Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sivi Thuran, consultant gastroenterologist at Dr. Kamakshi Memorial Hospital, Pallikarnai. It would not be an exaggeration to say this COVID-19 pandemic and its aftermath has turned the world upside down. It's very important to take care of ourselves and to stay safe during these testing times. This means practicing certain things, wearing masks. Researchers have shown that in a community where 80% of the people are mask compliant, the spread of COVID decreases by a factor of whopping 92%. This makes masks the most important weapon in our fight against COVID. Most importantly, masks should be worn the right way. This is a chin guard. This is not the right way. Even this is not the right way. This is a mouth guard. This is what a mask is, and this is how a mask should be worn. The other things which we'll have to follow to protect ourselves from COVID are practicing safe social distancing, staying indoors as much as possible, and avoiding non-essential travel. When I say avoid non-essential travel, it automatically means we have to travel for things that are essential. Among essential travel, the topmost priority should be given to healthcare. It's quite unfortunate to see many patients with significant health problems presenting to us very late, making the treatment process difficult. This should not happen, because it is equally important to protect ourselves from other health related problems as well. In this vlog, I am going to discuss about certain digestive issues which should flag hospital visit and consultation with a specialist as soon as possible. Indigestion is a very common problem in the community. Most of the indigestion issues are short-lived and they are self-limiting. However, when indigestion occurs with the following symptoms, or if these symptoms occur in solo, they should not be ignored. Severe pain in the tummy, especially when the pain does not respond to over-the-counter medications like omeprazole. Jaundice, that is yellowish discoloration of the eyes and the urine. When pain in the tummy happens with jaundice and the patient has fever also, it could mean a dreadful condition called as cholangitis. It's a very serious condition and it should be managed on an emergency basis. The other symptoms are persistent vomiting, noticeable weight loss, lack of hunger, feeling generally weak, lethargic and short of breath, difficulty in swallowing, that is the sensation of food getting stuck in the throat or in the chest. Any symptom that disturbs the sleep in a significant way. All these things are called as alarm symptoms and they mandate detailed evaluation. There are two other symptoms which could mean serious implication to life pertaining to the digestive system and they should be managed urgently. They are bleeding inside the gastrointestinal tract, which can manifest as blood vomiting or blackish discoloration of stools. Accidental or intentional intake of corrosive substances like phenol, ala detergent and Harpic. So these things should be managed on an emergency basis and patient should come to the hospital immediately. At this juncture, I would like to say that all the emergency services in our Dr. Kamakshi Memorial Hospital are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for the general public. I am very positive that we'll get out of this COVID pandemic soon. I am also positive that at the other end of this COVID-19 tunnel will be a stronger, resilient and a more united community. Thank you and Jai Hind.